So guys, for the first step, you're going to head over to search and type in File Explorer. Click on it. And then once you're on this, you're going to find the folder where you want to now save your downloads to. So I'm just going to go to this PC. You could just go to any random folder. So let's say that I want to save my downloads in this folder from now on. I'm going to go into the folder, then I'm going to click right here, which will then highlight the path. Now you just want to copy the path. So I'm going to right click on this and then click on copy. And now for the second step, you want to head over to search again and type in registry editor. Click on it. And then click on yes. And now once you're on this, you can follow everything I'll be doing up here. So first you want to expand HK local machine. And then you want to expand software. And now you want to expand Microsoft. And now you want to scroll down and expand Windows. You want to scroll down and expand Windows. And now you want to click on current version. And now this will come up on the right side. And now once we're here, you're going to be having program files dir. So you're going to double click on it. And then set the value data to what you copied earlier. The path that you copied earlier in File Explorer. Click on OK. Do it for both of them. Now you just want to restart your computer. And then you should be good to go.